In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone style font in here. For example, as soon as I hop into settings real quick, you know that we've got in here a font which represents every single letter or every single word or anything which is written here on our iPhone device. And I'm going to show you how to change this and also how to customize it, making it bigger or making it much bolder or italic or anything like that in order to ensure that you have your custom style here on your iPhone and to ensure that you can actually read it properly, okay? Because in some cases your font might be a bit smaller and you need something much bigger depending on your ability to actually read your iPhone device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I upload tech related content and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, at the end of the video, I'll also show you how to customize your main home screen. For example, whenever you lock your phone, you do have the timing over there. I'm going to show you how to customize all the fonts as well as the one on your locked screen, so you can have something like this, a custom font right there on your watch or any other widget here on your iPhone device. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Now, the very first step in here, in order to change the regular font on your phone, is to hop into settings real quick. You want to scroll down all the way to general down here. Tap once on general, and the next up you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom where we've got in here fonts. Okay, so you want to head straight into this fonts category in here and you'll be able to see three sections. We've got system fonts, we've got my fonts, which are fonts customized by yourself, and then we do have the last section which says more fonts. So over here, let's first tap on system fonts, and as you can see here, we do have different fonts: Bodoni, Baskerville, and then we do have Avenir, Arial, different types of Arial. So all you want to do is simply search for that specific desired font, and you want to simply tap on it once, tap on bold, and then simply select the desired font to be the one selected here for your iPhone device. Now, these are the system fonts which come as a default font, okay? So if you go back, you can also tap on my fonts and you can actually see the customized fonts which have been downloaded into your phone. You can add more fonts into your iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts where you need to download a specific app. If you tap here on more fonts, for example, you can download more fonts and manually add them into your iPhone device, but here you are limited to specific fonts which are provided by Apple themselves. So what I would recommend you guys to do in case you want really customized fonts is to hop into the App Store real quick, and then over here you need to download for a specific app that allows you to add custom fonts. For example, I'm going to quickly search for fonts. Okay, there we go. And then here you'll be able to see many apps with different fonts in here. For example, this one right here and then this one right here, we do have different apps offering different type of fonts. For example, we do have this one which is known as Cool Fonts. I can simply tap once on it to get and then to download it. Now, once you download the font, all you need to do is simply open up that specific app in order to properly install that specific font. It takes a couple minutes to download depending on the size of the application. In my case in here, I do have this app occupying 68 megabytes. Unfortunately, my internet is a bit slow right now, but all you need to do is simply install the app and then go back into settings, and here under fonts, you just need to tap on my fonts to see those custom fonts showing up in here real quick. So you'll be able to see the fonts and then simply select them or customize your phone by simply allowing which one to be used with your phone. Now, you can also delete fonts by simply sliding it to the left. If you, for example, have installed a ton of fonts and you don't like most of them, you can simply go and delete those fonts. And once you delete, you'll be able to see the same message which says no fonts installed. You can download an app from the App Store to install new fonts. This is where we actually were, where we saw a lot of applications that allow us to install custom fonts on the App Store, right? This is how easy you can actually install fonts here into your iPhone device. Now, on top of that, you can also customize, for example, here the lock screen with custom fonts as well as styles. Okay, this is a bit different. What it takes is you need to lock your phone and then simply tap once and press and hold here on the date. Press and hold and then tap on customize. It will ask you to unlock your phone. Just position your Face ID and your phone will unlock quickly. Next up, you simply want to, for example, move around here the date widget. You can make it much longer, much smaller. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this. And then next up, you can simply tap on this watch once, and then you want to simply change it, right? You want to change the font. I've got in here this font, which looks sick. And then you've got this one as well, this one. And then you can also customize the color as well. Okay, so you can customize the color and make it, for example, much solid or much lighter, something like that. You can customize it according to your preference real quick. So this will customize the watch as well as the date and time in here, the entire widget itself. Next up, simply tap on solid, and you can also select a few other colors combination, hop out, and then there we go. Your date and time is already customized here real quick, and then simply slide it up or tap on done, and this will be set up as a default customized wallpaper here on your home screen. This is how easy you can actually change your font style here on your iPhone device. Now, alternatively, you can also tap on settings and then simply scroll down all the way to display and brightness. Next up, you want to scroll down and tap here on text size in order to increase or decrease the size of the text, right? This is something that will help you out if you're facing difficulties in reading a specific text, or if you do have a small phone. For example, we do have the regular iPhone models, and then we do have the Plus models, which come with a much bigger screen. If you do have a much bigger screen, you probably won't be facing this issue, but if you want, you can increase the size. Simply go back, and then you can turn on bold text as well to make it even much thicker than the normal text, right? So this is how you can customize further here the font and the text here on your iPhone, so you can have a much convenient and much efficient way of navigating through your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.